Okay, so in this question you're given c equals square root of y minus x, and you're asked to write x in terms of c and y. So to get rid of the square root, you square the other side. So you have c squared equals y minus x. So to get x on its own, you have x equals minus c squared plus y. And then for b part 1, you're told that m equals 2 over 5 and n equals 5 over 4. And you're asked to find the value of 1 over 2m minus 1 over 3n. So you do 2m equals 4 over 5, so you have 1 over 4 over 5. And 3n is 15 over 4, so it's minus 1 over 15 over 4. So it's equal to, 1 over 4 fifths is the same as 5 fourths, and 1 over 15 over 4 is the same as 4 fifteenths. Then you get 75 minus 16 over 60, and the final answer is 59 over 60. And then part 2, you're asked to use factors to simplify the equation. The equation is 3x squared minus 19x minus 14 over x squared minus 49. So on the top line you have a quadratic equation. So as you have a number before the x squared, you can multiply the last number, so you're left with x squared minus 19x minus 42. And on the bottom line you have difference of two squares. So you have 49 is 7 squared, so you have x minus 7 and x plus 7 on the bottom line. And then on the quadratic equation you bring the first number and the last number back the same, so you're left with 3x squared minus 14. Sorry. In the middle you have to find two factors that multiply to the last, that multiply to 42 and add to 19. So they are 21 and 2. So left with 3x squared minus 21x plus 2x minus 14 over x plus 7 and x minus 7. So then 3x by x minus 7 plus 2 by x minus 7 over x minus 7 by x plus 7. So then you cancel the x minus 7s and you're left with a final answer of 3x plus 2 over x plus 7. And then part C, you're told let f be the function f of x is equal to minus x squared minus 4x plus 5. So you get minus in the brackets minus x minus 5 by x minus 1. So you get minus x equals 5, x minus 1 equals 0. So x equals minus 5 and x equals 1. And then so you prove that it cuts the axis at minus 5, 0 and 1, 0. And then in part 2 you're asked to solve for f of x equals f of x plus 1. So what you basically do is anytime in the original equation you have x, you substitute in x plus 1. So you have minus x squared plus 2x plus 1 minus 4x minus 4 plus 5. So minus x squared minus 2x minus 1 minus 4x plus 1. You're left with minus x squared minus 6x. So then you bring back in the f of x equation. So you're saying minus x squared minus 4x plus 5 equals to the minus x squared plus minus 6x. So then you just simplify it out, and it's minus x squared minus 4x plus 5 plus x squared plus 6x equals 0. 2x plus 5 equals 0, so 2x equals 5. So you divide by 2 to get this x on its own, so x equals minus 5 over 2.